Today I'm doing PDO threads for upper lip lines, and PDO threads will help you make collagen. So wherever we put them will make you make collagen. So we do a lot of upper lip lines, marionettes, we can put them into the nasolabial folds, even into forehead lines. If you cannot get Botox because Botox drops your forehead too much, but you have lines that bother you, we can put these PDO threads right in those lines and it'll make you make collagen right around them. Sometimes people have really deep glabellar lines also that Botox helps but doesn't get rid of. These can really help soften that too. And if we went along the jawline, we can help define that. And then there's certain PDO threads that can actually pull your skin up. So we do a lot of face lifting, neck lifting, breast lifting, knee lifting, arm lifting. You can lift anywhere with these babies. So we love PDO threads, and that stands for polydiaxanone. That's the ingredient that these are made of. So I'm going to show you a typical pucker line treatment. All right, you ready? Okay, we're going to take that away when you're all set here. And we go right across. 1, 2, 3. Hi. Boop doo. And there are different types of threads. Some of them are smooth, some of them are twisted. This depends on what, okay, ice again. It depends on what your goals are. So for like forehead lines, we use the smooth ones. If we were trying to get volume in nasolabial folds, then we would use the twisted ones. So these, right now I'm using smooth ones. Ready? So stoic you are. Go from all the way back here. So strong, so strong. Perfect. Excellent. Let's do one on the bottom also, okay? Because like I said, you can put these anywhere and everywhere. And it'll just help to smooth. We can also put them right up the nose to help lift the tip. Let's go lower now. Go right across. 1, 2, 3. You got it. And these will dissolve over the course of 6 to 9 months. Sorry. But the entire time they're in there, they're making you make collagen, which is great. So let's do one more in the upper. Okay. I'm gonna go up into this little teeny baby wrinkle right there. And we're gonna go right across there. Good job. Good job. Perfect. So we'll do the other half in a second, but if you want to find out more about PDO threads, you can find us online at RejuvenationMD, medspa.com.